Hey there, it's Tracy Lynn back with another clutter quick tip. Okay, so this tip is one I actually just used myself a few weeks ago, and it was creating a crafting box for one of my nieces. I used to be a crafter. I used to be a hoarder slash crafter. And honestly, I had more supplies that I had room to actually use those supplies to create things. So I finally got honest with myself, had myself a get down chit chat, and decided it was time to let go of some of my supplies. So rather than take the time to sell them on Facebook, because that really is a time consuming process and you don't always make the money you hope you will make, I instead made a craft box for my little niece. Now, she doesn't live locally, so I needed to ship it out. But what I did was I got a container and I filled it with paper craft supplies. So I put in cardstock, envelopes, stickers galore. I put in a few paper punches, stamp pads, and some stamps, and a few of those scissors that cut the different shapes in the paper. I put a loving note inside, wishing her all the best as she made some wonderfully lovely creative things. And I sent it to her as a surprise gift. She loved it so much. I decided to do this every month like a subscription box. So every month I'm going to send her a box of craft supplies that matches the month that we're in. So in October, I sent her Halloween crafting supplies. In November, they're going to be turkey craft supplies. And in December, you guessed it, Christmas crafting supplies. This is such a fun idea, and it is so great. It's such a great way for you to share your love of crafting with another family member in your life. And it doesn't need to be a young niece or a daughter. It could be your best friend. It could be your aunt. It could be anybody that loves to craft that might enjoy some of your stash. And it doesn't need to be paper crafts. It could be sewing, woodworking, painting, baking, cooking. It could be anything that you love to do that you know you have more supplies than you have room to do the activity that you enjoy. So create a subscription box of your favorite things and send them off to someone in your life to brighten their day. I guarantee they will love to receive it and you will be motivated to clean out some of the extra stuff in your hobby space. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this clutter quick tip. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and happy decluttering. Bye.